Students, we have a question which says that A, B, C, D are positive integers and that their sum, A added with B added with C added with D, is 63. Now we are expected to find the maximum of AB positive, BC positive, CD. There are different ways to solve this question, but I would be showing you here easier way. Now, foremost, let us consider AB positive, BC positive, CD. Now, I'm going to rewrite this as AB positive, BC positive, CD, and I'm going to add DA, and I would be subtracting DA, adding DA and subtracting DA. Now, why am I doing this? You might be asking me, why do I specifically add and subtract DA? For the simple reason is that if you see the quantity given, it starts with AB, and then to AB we add BC, and to BC we add CD. So obviously the next quantity in line should be DA. So that is the reason I'm adding DA and subtracting DA. Now this is equal to, I would be clubbing these two quantities, taking B out, I would have A positive C. I would be clubbing these two quantities, taking D out, I would be having C positive A. Of course, the last quantity is DA. Now, C positive A is appearing twice. So let me take C positive A out. So when I do that, I would have B positive DA followed by a negative DA. Now, the question wants us to find the maximum of AB positive, BC positive, CD, which means they are asking us to find the maximum of C positive A times B positive D along with negative DA. Now, the only way we can achieve the maximum here, if D and A are small quantities, small integers. Now, in the question, clearly A, B, C, D are given to be as positive integers. So the only integer which can be considered to be the smallest would be the value 1. Now, since our goal is to achieve the maximum on the right side, which can only be achieved if DA is small, naturally the value of D should also be equal to 1. Now, after knowing the value of A to be as 1 and D to be as 1, let us go back to the original question. We have been given that A positive, B positive, C positive, D to be equal to 63, which means that 1 positive, B positive, C positive 1 is equal to 63, which means B positive, C positive 2 is equal to 63, which means B positive C is equal to 63 negative 2. That would mean B positive C is equal to 61. Now, we have to have the value for B and the value for C, so that these two values added together would give us 63. Now, A, B, C are positive integers. A, B, C, and D are positive integers. So that would mean the only possible values that B and C can be would be 30 and 31. Of course, C can be 30 and B can be 31. It doesn't matter. So therefore, let us find out the maximum value. For the maximum value of AB positive, BC positive, CD would be equal to, I'm going to do it here. So this is going to be equal to, A is 1, B is I'm taking it as 30, and B is 30, C is taken as 31, C is taken to be as 31, D is taken to be as 1. So calculating, this is going to be equal to 30 times 1 is going to be 30. Of course, I need to multiply 30 with 31. So that's going to be 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, and 0, positive 31. So when you add all these things, you get 9, 9, 1. So that is the solution.